Today we shall look at the important role that KRA and KPIs play in organization achieving its objectives. Hi, I'm Shubhrato, a performance leadership coach. I simplify performance and help organizations, leaders, and professionals achieve their goals. If you find my post interesting, kindly click the like button, share the post, and also share your comments below. We all have a particular imagination of our organizations as to how they are structured. I imagine an organization as being composed of people who have come together to achieve a goal. And each of these individuals is part of a small team in the organization. And these teams are again part of larger teams within the organization. These teams are continuously cooperating and competing, and this keeps happening simultaneously. So when we look at organization from this prism, what we find is an organization which is a very complex social system of teams operating, competing, and also cooperating at the same time. The challenge then in front of all organization leaderships are to see how do we align these teams to achieve the organization objectives, strategies, and the goals. As we all know, the mission of the organization tells us the purpose of its existence. The strategies tells us the how we are going to achieve those purposes, and the goals tell us what we need to do to achieve that purpose and how we can do it. If any of you want to refer to my earlier post on organization goal clarity and the goal triangle, kindly click on the link that is below. So the organization's greatest challenge is to transfer these three to the individual, and it does that by transferring it first to a larger team and then to smaller teams and to the individuals who are composed of that team. KRA and KPI play a very important role in achieving that. Key result areas are qualitative metrics and the KPIs are quantitative in nature. KRAs translates the team's objectives in terms of the strategy that has been implemented. It identifies the areas that will be impacted by implementing the organization strategies applicable to the area of operation of the team. Once this is aligned, the next important thing is to understand how is it going to impact the delivery of performance of the team. This is achieved by the KPI. The KPI quantifies the improvement in delivery that should happen due to the implementation of the organization strategies to the specific area of operation of a team. So to recap, a KRA and KPI helps organization teams and then the individuals in those teams to align to the organization goal triangle. It does that by translating the organization strategies to team strategies, one, and second, by identifying and quantifying what will be done and the measures for it by using the tool of KPI. The other thing that we need to keep in mind is, as individuals, when we are delivering results, we not only have to keep an eye on our individual objectives and goals, but also the team in which I am associated. Thank you for viewing this post. Kindly click the like button, share the post, and also share your comments below. And goodbye, take care, till the next time.